video, we're going to show you how to remove a medication from a Pyxis ES system device when it's in profile mode. When removing medications from a device in profile mode, you'll be able to remove medications that have been ordered specifically for your patient and reviewed by a pharmacist. Removing a medication involves 3 basic steps. First, you'll choose your patient. Next, you'll select the medication. Then, you'll remove the medication. Let's walk through these steps in more detail, starting with choosing your patient. Let's assume you've set up your My Patients list. From the home screen, select My Patients. The patients in your My Patient list will appear on the left, and blue dots representing their medication orders will appear on the right. From here, you can select the dot in the Do Now column, or you can choose your patient, then select Remove. Either action will bring you to the Med Profile screen. Now you're ready for step 2, selecting the medication. From your patient's Med Profile screen, you can view all of the patient's medications or filter by Do Now or PRN. Use the chevron to expand the medication and view more detailed information, if you'd like. Select the medication you'd like to remove. You'll notice that the medication now appears in the Selected Meds column on the right side of the screen. If you have multiple medications to remove, repeat this step for the other medications, including PRN, Do Now, and overrides. We only want to remove one medication, so we'll use the X to remove the other 2 from the list, and select Remove Med to continue. Some medications, like this one, require that you provide specific information as an added safety precaution during certain transactions, including removal. If you see one of these clinical data category or CDC messages, confirm the information requested for your patient and respond as appropriate. In this example, answering yes generates a warning message. This medication should not be dispensed to the patient. Answering no generates a warning message allowing you to continue with the transaction. This brings you to step 3, removing the medication. Before you remove the medication from the drawer that is popped open, check the screen for the remove amount and location. Remove the medication from the open QB pocket and select Accept. Close the QB lid, then close the drawer. You can also just close a QB lid or drawer to accept a transaction. Repeat this step for each medication you'd like to remove, and you're set. Medications removed. Now, there may be instances when a medication you need to remove isn't available in the device. Let's go back to step 2 to cover what to do in those situations. See how the medication you'd like to remove is grayed out? This means it's not available at the device. Select the medication for more information. The pop-up will tell you why the medication isn't available and where else you can find it within your area. Your permissions may allow you to see a Find More icon that permits you to search outside of your area for the medication. Either way, follow your facility's policies and procedures for removing medications from alternate locations. At some point, you may need to remove a medication on override, like in an urgent situation or when a medication has not been reviewed by the pharmacist. Your system manager will assign you specific groups of medications that are available for removal on override at a particular device. You may be required to provide a reason for an override. To get started, you'll choose your patient, then select Override at the bottom of the patient summary screen. You'll notice blue stripes appear next to the medications on the list. Those indicate medications that are available to be removed on override. Select the medication. Enter the amount you'll be removing and select OK. Then select Remove Med. Select or enter an override reason if you're prompted and select Remove Meds. Remove the medication from the device and you're done. In addition to individual medications, your facility may use system kits, which allow you to quickly remove several items from a device without pharmacy review. To remove a kit,